Welcome to Cost of Capital Problem 2, Part A. Here we want to calculate the return to equity using both capital asset pricing model and the dividend growth model. The stock in the Croesus Industries has a beta of 1.2. The market risk premium is 4.8, while T-bills are currently yielding 3.0%. Croesus's most recent dividend was $1.1 per share, and dividends are expected to grow at 4% at an annual rate indefinitely. That means permanently. The stock sells for $25 a share. So what is the estimated cost of equity using CAPM approach, the dividend growth model, and what is the average of the two? So first things to do are to label correctly. Let's start off the capital asset pricing model here. So we have beta, so that's 1.2. Market risk premium is 4.8, and market risk premium, just to recall, is the return of the market, or expected return of market, minus the risk-free rate. And the risk-free rate we have also, which is the T-bills, so that's 3.0%. Now we can plug that into the capital asset pricing model equation, which is R equals risk-free plus beta times market risk premium. So we have 3% plus 1.2%, 1.2 times 4.8%. That gives us a total of 8.76. That would be the value using the capital asset pricing model. Now let's take a look at the dividend growth. Here we have 1.1 per share, and we should note it says the most recent dividend, which is why it's D0. We have to keep track of our subscripts to make sure that we're not losing track, and we know which is the past and which is the next dividend, because it makes a difference in the values. 4% is the growth, and given that it's D0, we can calculate what D1 is, which is basically just 1.1 times 1.04, 1 plus growth, and that gives us 1.144. Now we have also the price of the share, which is P0, which is 25. Now we can employ that in the dividend growth model. We'll use the D1, the G, and the P0. The equation is, of course, the return is D1 over P0 plus G. That's giving us a result of 8.576 using the dividend growth model. Now we have it with the two methods. 8.76 we got using capital asset pricing model, 8.576 with the dividend growth model, which means the average return on equity, or the expected return on equity, is 8.668 or 8.67%. That's it. Thank you very much.